Hi guys, welcome to Industrial CAD tutorials. In this Blender tutorial we are going to create a hard surface model. In Blender you can observe I'm going to the edit mode. This is the default cube. I'm selecting the face select and select the faces and delete the faces on both sides and also on the bottom, and go on to the edge select the two edges and select the edge along the y-axis, scale the edges. Then after I am giving the loop cuts like this. For example, you can see I am giving the vertical loop cuts and the horizontal loop cuts, you can observe. Then after I am giving the loop cuts here also, you can see I am giving on the top loop cuts to increase this. Then after I want to select the edges on both sides. You can see on the wireframe the two edges are selected, and Control B, bevel this. After bevel the object, give the segments to bevel segments to 6 and click on OK and save the file. Then go on to the object mode. You can observe I'm giving the shade smooth, and go to the object data properties, give the normals to auto smooth to 30 degree. Then you can observe the smooth object is created. Then after I want to insert the faces, and I'm deleting the faces here. You can observe by selecting the top side view and selecting the all of the faces by selecting the face select. Go on to the face select. You can select by using the wireframe mode onto the solid like this. In the wireframe you can delete both at a time. For example, I'm going to the face select. I'm selecting all the faces by clicking on the shift key and select the faces and delete all of the faces, and by pressing X and delete the faces here also. See, the two holes is there. Then after I want to make a fillet onto the vertices points. These are the vertices I'm selecting. Go on to the wireframe mode and give the solid view, and I'm selecting the vertices points on all 4 edge points. You can observe on the both sides. Total the 8 points I'm selecting, you can observe on the screen. Then I'm selecting the vertices. Simply Control B, bevel, and press on V to bevel vertices fillet. Control plus B and click on V, then fillet. You can observe I'm creating like this for 4 segments like this. See, the curve shape is created on the object. And then after you can observe on the both sides I'm giving the modifier tool, and we are going to the edit mode. You can observe all of the vertices here, and you can also select the edge select and go into the object mode. You can see the object. I'm giving the edit mode here. Again you can see the vertices. I'm selecting the some of the loop cuts here by selecting the face and giving the loop cuts here. After the loop cuts, I am extrude some of the object to the top like this. I'm creating the loop cuts here. I want to extrude the faces. Go on to the face select and select the faces, all of the faces like this by clicking on the shift key. You should select the face select and select all of the faces. Then after I'm extruding the faces along the z-axis onto the top, and somewhat distance like this, give some distance like this, and extrude along the x-axis and scale along the x-axis. You can observe this shape, and by using the Control B, bevel the objects to 6 segments to make a smooth finish on all sides. 6 segments, and go into the object mode. See, the smooth object is created on the object. Then after go into the object mode. Then I want to apply the modifier to make a better groove, and go into the subdivision surface and give the level viewports to 2. For this you can observe I'm giving the level viewports to 2. Before that you can observe the shape. I'm giving the level viewports 2, and you can see I want to make a shape here. Give the loop cut on the edge. You select the edge, one of the loop cut is there, and drag the loop cut onto along the x-axis here also. Then loop cut is highlighted along the x-axis. You can observe the shape is fine before as compared before. And go into the matte cap property, you can give the material property for the shape is fine or not. Like this you can create the shape, and go into the different type of materials over here. You can observe. Then after, I'm assigning the solidify modifier here for to increase the thickness value. I'm giving the thickness values to 0.03. You can observe the thickness and give the matte property. Then you can observe the thickness. The thickness is clear and the object is also looking good. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.